Hello, I'm Jonathan Gately. I'm the course manager for the Rural Events Management Programme here at University Centre Reaseheath. What you can see behind me is the HE dedicated teaching centre, where most of your class-based studies will take place. And a little later we'll take a look inside there. But we just have a quick look today at the campus and its facilities and how it's really well set up to enable us to engage in all sorts of event activities whilst you're on your course. The campus itself is located, sort of situated in the heart of rural Cheshire, so that really allows us to work with some big regional and national events in the area. So events such as Bolesworth International Equestrian event, Carfest North, for example, and lots more. And obviously the campus itself covers a wide range of subject areas, and because of that we have a wide range of facilities that really lend themselves to a whole variety of different events that you could run or be part of the events that we run here each year. So let's go and have a look at some of those facilities now. So here we have Reaseheath Hall. It's an 18th century hall packed with character and history, and makes a real addition, a real impact to any event that you might decide to run here. We've had book launches, business networking events, and also really great venue for the weddings that we offer here as well. So here we are lakeside in this stunning expanse of grass surrounded by lots of trees here. A lot of our outdoor events, festival type things, take place on this ground. So we have our college Pride Fest that takes place here. We have an annual family festival, which this area is the focal point for. And there are lots of other spaces and land on campus that are open and available for use for any kind of event that you might have in mind. Okay, so now we're in the dedicated HE teaching centre, dedicated to you guys. So only HE students will be allowed within the building. This is where, as I mentioned earlier, a lot of your class-based teaching will take place. Lecture theatres, classrooms, there's dedicated IT spaces and cafe and chill out spaces that you can use. And in terms of the events that we can use this for, obviously we have a lot of HE open days when we have them in real life, face to face. We also have a lot of lecture symposiums. We invite specialists in to talk as guest speakers to an audience of staff and students and outside guests as well. So a whole range of event locations in one campus, and we've only really scratched the surface. We've got a new sports hall that we often use for, again, things like Christmas markets, tabletop sales, that kind of stuff, and it also then converts with an internal marquee that we can use for, again, things like weddings and celebration events and that kind of thing. So I guess if this course is something that interests you, then feel free to check out the website. It's full of other videos and information that you might want to kind of look up. And also in the question and answer session in the open day later today, you'll have your opportunity to ask any more questions that you might have. So hopefully we'll see you soon.